Welcome back everyone. Today we're reviewing Namecheap. Is it still worth it in 2025? Continue to the end of the video to see. So Namecheap is one of the most popular domain registrars globally, known for affordability, transparency, and ease of use. It is one of the cheapest domain registrars, especially for .com or .net and new TLDs. You have free Whois privacy protection is included for life. Also, a user-friendly dashboard for managing domains, DNS, email, SSL and hosting, and easy to navigate even for beginners. Also, you have a free DNS, free Whois privacy, free domain forwarding and email forwarding, and also free email trial with Python or private email. Its reliable DNS and domain management offers DNS propagation quickly, and DNS templates make setup easy for platforms like Shopify, Wix, and Google Workspace. The website have a 24/7 live chat support, fast and helpful to customer service, and knowledge base is extensive and easy to follow. Also, you have shared hosting, WordPress hosting or VPS, and more. Hosting is okay for basic use, but not the best for high traffic websites. With all these benefits, although it has a hosting is basic, not their strength. Good for beginners but lacks the speed and features for premium providers like SiteGround, Hostinger, or Whois. Also, you have no phone support, only live chat and ticketing system. Some users prefer phone-based help, and also adds extra like email or SSL. It is an upselling during checkout. You can remove them, but it's a bit annoying. So it's best for buying and managing domains, affordability, setting up domains for Shopify, WordPress, Wix, etc. Users who want free privacy protection and simple hosting and email needs. So Namecheap is an excellent choice for buying and managing domains, especially if you're setting up a store on Shopify, WordPress or another platform. While its hosting is decent for small projects, more advanced users may want a strong host. It's beginner-friendly, honest, and budget-conscious. Would you like to know more about Namecheap? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.